Today I'm going to be making a, well, Indy's going to do the hair, sorry, a Lydia Martin look. If you don't know who Lydia Martin is, she is a character from Teen Wolf.
She's amazing.
Teen Wolf is just amazing. Watch it. So basically her makeup is like really natural. So what I'm starting off with is Hello Flawless Foundation by Benefit. I'm literally just getting the smallest pump ever because I don't wear foundation, but her skin is just amazing. I'm jealous. Okay, so I've done my foundation. That's such good coverage, I don't need any concealer on, which is great. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to do my eyebrows, and what I'm going to use is this eyeshadow. It's like a really light brown, and I'm hoping it will go with my eyebrows. Don't know, it's hard to find the right colour. So I've done my eyebrows. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this brush that I used for foundation. I've wiped all the foundation off though, and I'm just going to take the same powder and make my cheeks more defined. Okay, so I've done my cheeks, and now I'm going to do my eyes. This is Coffee Eye Pencil from MAC, and I'm just going to put this in my lash line. And then I'm just taking this eye pencil from Topshop, and it's the colour have a colour, but it's that one down. It looks pretty similar to that to the other one, but it's just a little bit lighter, and I'm just going to put this in the waterline. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Sephora eye palette again, and I'm going to use this colour here, and it's called Mahogany. And this is just going all along my eyelid. So I put that colour on the base of my eye, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a lighter. So I'm going to use this colour here, and it's called Gold, from the same Sephora eye thingy. Palette, that's the one. I'm just going to take this into the crease of my eye. And into the corner. And that is the eyeshadow done. The next thing I'm going to do is, my eyelashes, and I'm just going to take some mascara, and this is just the flamed out one by CoverGirl. It's going on both top and bottom lashes. Okay, so for the cheeks, I'm going to take this brush again, and it's this pink here. It's just a really nice faint pink. And last of all, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm just going to use this Baby Lips Peach Kiss. The one. His hairs are quite natural. This is the finished look. No, it's not, because you need to do hair. This is the finished makeup look, And now India's going to do the hair on me. Yeah, I'm just going to take this Remington hair curling wand and I'm just going to curl the ends of her hair because her hair's very natural, just like the makeup. So, yeah, this makeup is so natural. You could wear it to school. Maybe not so much on the eyes, just a little bit lighter maybe, but it's really nice. What I'm just doing is I'm curling the top layers of her hair more precise and more ringlety, and then the bottom layers are much more wavy. It just adds more dimension to the hair. So all I really did was curl the very ends of Lily's hair. I curled the underneath part and then bits on top to make it more textured and detailed and give more dimension to the hair. And I think that's pretty much it for this Lydia makeup and hair tutorial. Super easy. Like seriously, you could do this for school, but maybe just a little less on the eye makeup. But I think I might actually make Lily wear this to school one day, if she actually ever wears foundation. I don't wear foundation and I do nothing with my hair. I look disgusting. You don't look disgusting. I look disgusting. No, you don't. I look disgusting. No, you don't. But yeah, your curly hair really suits you. I think you actually look a little bit like Lydia with your hair like this. Thank you. It's okay. Had you complimenting you? No, I was. Yeah, I was like, Lydia, yeah. Compliment. Yeah. God, compliment. So yeah, this is it for today. And bye! Bye!
Lizzie, I have multicoloured bed in my eye.
What?
Oh wait, no, it's glue. Lizzie, I've got glue. Ah.
What?
Oh. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What happened? The glue got caught in my eye.
But it all came off.
There was still some on my eyelashes.
Oh. Is it off now?
Yeah, it's fine.
Is it out?
I think so.
Does it hurt?
No, I'm okay. Okay, good.
Okay, now what I'm going to do is